Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2013 Toyota 4Runner SR5. This one's two-wheel drive. So very nice 4Runner here, beautiful black color, and man, do I love the 4Runner. It's one of the most reliable SUVs on the market, and comes with new Cooper tires all the way around, beautiful front end, clean and clear headlights, fog lights, turn signals, nice black on chrome grille, the ever reliable 4.0 V6 engine. It's just one of the best engines you can get in a V6, and let me tell you, if you're a Toyota fan, this is the vehicle to buy because you will have zero mechanical flaws with this vehicle for the lifetime you own it. It's not one of those where you have to worry about, is the engine going to be okay, is the transmission going to be okay. This whole vehicle is just the most excellent SUV out there on the market. Just absolutely one of my top favorites. So comes with the alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, also has the chrome roof racks, has the gray on black interior with automatic windows for all four windows, power locks, mirrors, and dual power seats. We have floor mats drying in the back. But nice stitching, nice pattern here on the seats. It's got that nice yellow bronze look, kind of an homage to the old 4Runners of the 70s. And then it comes with the original owner's manual, and then nice clean dashboard. No dashboard issues like the previous generation 4Runner. Ice cold AC. It has AM/FM stereo. It also has auxiliary port. It has standard AC controls. Has USB auxiliary and charging port, as well as keyless entry. We have the Toyota keyless entry, one cup holder up here, one back here, and then some space for your phone. And then of course our power rear window there that makes the rear window roll down. And then we have plug-in outlet in the center console, small little tear there on the armrest. And then this audio system is equipped with party mode. So if you push that button, it will increase the frequency of the stereo and give you quite an amazing sound. So pretty funny little feature there, little Easter egg, but comes with rear AC. It also has a rear seat fold down armrest. This one also has cup holders inside. And this one comes with the third row option. So not all of them do this, but this one comes with that third row option. Then it also has sunroof and dome lighting. And then on the back we have rear parking sensors, tow package, and you can always fold this rear seat down and it does lay flat down below there and gives you quite a bit of space. So the 4Runner designation there, shark fin antenna, the little rear spoiler, pinstriping, smoke and pet free on the inside. I like the chrome strip there at the bottom. And then our power windows, locks, mirrors are here, interior illumination switch. And then we have the ability to turn on or off the parking sensors. And then this is our switch activator for the plug-in, traction control, and heated washer fluid. We have a multi-function steering wheel here, and we also have daytime running lights, fog lights, interval front and rear wipers, Bluetooth connectivity, voice command, volume stereo controls, cruise control. This is a one-owner 4Runner, no reported accidents. Fires right up. It comes with an active eco mode. Has 143,000 original one-owner miles. No warning lights on the dash. Revs up nicely. It idles smoothly. Stereo sounds great. Switched it to party mode. As you can see, there's a difference in the sound. And then up top here we have our range for down to empty. We have our compass temperature gauge, and we also have a clock. AC is ice cold right at the start. Nice larger shift knob here, and everything's properly working. Comes equipped with home link, our traction control buttons up here, which is very interesting, and our sunroof. So that one is a one touch as well, so one touch and then it automatically opens. And then you can stop it, and one touch automatically closes it as well too. So there you have it, folks. A very nice, clean Toyota 4Runner. It's our first, well actually our second one that we've ever had in this body style, and they're just so hard to come by due to the price, but we were able to make it to where you can get an excellent price, excellent deal on this Toyota 4Runner. If you're looking for any SUV, third row, for the most reliable and best on the market, look no further than this beautiful 2013 Toyota 4Runner SR5. You can find this beautiful 4Runner exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.